Google Flow is Google's AI filmmaking tool, and right now, most people have no idea what it can actually do. I spent time going deep on it, and I found 9 tricks that genuinely surprised me. Some of them take under a minute. Some of them will make you rethink how you create content entirely. And if you're new here, I cover tools like this every week. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one. All right, let's get into it. 1. Recreate a viral thumbnail style as your own. Ever seen a YouTube thumbnail that just stops you mid-scroll? Instead of starting from scratch, take a screenshot of that thumbnail and upload it into Google Flow. Describe the visual style, the lighting, colors, and composition, and ask Flow to generate a new image in that same style, but with your own subject. You get the same eye-catching look, completely original content.
Okay, now I come to the home page of Google Flow. So here I have uploaded a really good thumbnail from Mr. Beast video. I want to refine this thumbnail. So I put a prompt here, just change what he will be behaving. I change the setting for the image. Okay, so now it will generate 3 different pictures for me. Let's see how they will be looking like. Yeah, as you see, that's pretty well.
2. Generate a specific cinematic style in one line. One of the fastest ways to use Flow is to pick a style and just describe it. Cyberpunk Tokyo at night, golden hour Tuscan countryside, moody 70s film noir. Type your vibe into Flow and watch it generate a cinematic clip in seconds. I'll show you 3 different styles side by side. Same basic scene, completely different energy.
Yep, so now I should change the setting to be generating videos. Yep, just customize the setting as what you requested. And put your prompt there to describe what you want to generate it. So my prompt would be like this. Wow, there are 2 videos generated for us to choose from. So let's dive inside to see what does it look like.
Three, bring a static photo to life. Got a still photo you love? Upload it into Flow and tell it how you want it to move. The wind blowing through hair, clouds drifting across the sky, or even subtle eye movement. Flow animates the photo while preserving the original look and feel. The result feels like something out of a fantasy film, and it takes about 30 seconds.
Yeah, so now I would like to add some motions to Mr. Beast. So I just reuse the first picture I generated. Choose the settings. And then I put my just add the picture I want to add it to the prompt, and then add my prompt to say what motions I want to add to him. Now it is generating. Yeah, it's done. So You see, his hair is flying in the air and he's blinking his eyes. That's good.
Cast yourself as the AI character. Here's a wild one. You can actually star in your own AI video. Upload 1 or 2 photos of yourself, then describe the scene you want to appear in. Flow's ingredients feature will generate a video that keeps your face consistent across the whole clip. Imagine yourself as an astronaut, a 1920s detective, or running through a neon-lit city.
So first you can upload your profile image there, and then to add that image to the prompt, then use a prompt to generate what would you like to see in the video. You see, I would like myself to be in an astronaut costume.
Five, control camera movement for instant film feel. Most people generate a clip and stop there. But here's the pro move. Use Flow's camera controls. Take the same scene and apply a slow push-in, a sweeping pan, or a dramatic orbit around your subject. Watch how the exact same clip transforms depending on the camera movement. This is what separates a random AI video from something that actually feels cinematic. Six, generate seamless transitions with start and end frames. This one is genuinely magical. Upload 2 images, your starting frame and your ending frame, and let Flow fill in everything in between. It doesn't matter how different the 2 images are. Flow will create a smooth, believable transition between them. This is perfect for intros, scene changes, or those satisfying before and after reveals.
You can refer to this video to see the detail how to utilize the start and end frame to generate viral videos.
7. Turn a product photo into a mini ad. If you sell anything, a product, a service, even a course, this tip is for you. Take a plain photo of your product and upload it into Flow. Describe an aspirational scene around it, and Flow will generate a polished short ad. No studio, no camera crew, no budget. I'll show you how a simple coffee mug photo can become a lifestyle video in under a minute.
In here, I have uploaded a lovely mug picture, and I want Google Flow to make an ad video for me.
Eight, use Flow Agent to brainstorm your whole video. Before you even generate a single clip, try this. Open Flow Agent and just tell it what your video is about. It acts like a creative director. It will suggest a shot list, recommend dialogue, and even plan the pacing of your whole piece. Think of it as pitching your idea to an AI co-writer who then hands you a ready-to-shoot script. Let me show you a real example.
The first step is to set it to be agent mode. So you need to set the agent setting. And the Google Flow agent is a conversation that will convert your idea into a step-by-step guidance. So each step, it will need your approval to go ahead. So basically in this conversation, it will list all the steps it will take to achieve your goal. So you just follow it, follow the guidance until you reach your goal. Yeah, in my later video, I will make a detailed video regarding the Google Agent.
9. Apply preset styles with Flow Tools. Once your clip is generated, don't just export it as is. Open up Flow Tools and apply a preset. Vintage film grain, a specific aspect ratio, a color aesthetic, or a stylized effect. It's like Instagram filters, but for cinematic video. I'll run the same clip through 3 different tools presets, and you can see exactly how much it changes the final look.
Here, you go to the tools page. You just put your idea there and let it to create a tool for you. So in this demo, I will let you to create a tool that can convert my video into clay animations. So in a minute, it will create a tool for you. It's like an application. Then you can select your original videos. Here I want to convert the Mr. Beast video. And then click Generate Claymation to convert it to Claymation. You say in a second it will, just convert it to clay animation. So you see the tool creation is quite a powerful tool.
Hey, I want to know, which of these 9 tips are you actually going to try first? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one, and if you made something with Flow already, link it. I genuinely want to see what you built.